Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make $1,000 to $2,000 every single day by creating free articles online. You don't have to write an articles. I'm gonna show you the free tools that you can use to create those articles, and I'm gonna show you the 3 websites that you can make money. And before we get into the videos, if you are new to my channels, subscribe, like and share, press the bell icon so you will get notified. And without taking too long, I'm gonna show you everything guys, so you can go and check it out. The first thing you need to think about the website is called list words. I made a video in the past. The title is called "You Can Make $100 or Win 1,000." Basically, this website is a top 10 site. You can create a top 10 list on anything: entertainment, history, science, society, lifestyle, something like that. Then you submit this top 10 list to this website. If your list is get approved, you can make $100. If your list getting more and more views, which mean list viewers can make money by placing advertisement, so for that they will pay you $1,000 if your post getting more views. That means if your list is more attractive, getting more views, then you can win $1,000. But for that, to create a top 10 list, you can create it in any category. You can add images and video if you want, and you need to create like a fun and simple 2 paragraph is enough. But it is harder to if you are new, if you can't write it properly, if you take it too long to write a top 10 list or articles. But I'm gonna show you the way that you can make those articles for easy guys. So what you have to do, you come to list first and find top 10 the patterns. What is the recent article? So it's about the number 19 what I'm talking about, because I can't say the full name because YouTube will demonetize my account, so I don't want to say that name. We're gonna call it 19, right? So those things that happen, so you're gonna create articles similar to that. So go to Google and type top 10 deadliest disease in the history, something like that. So these lists are open up. What you have to do is select the list that you want to go and search it up. I open this page, and this page is open up. Is all about pandemic diseases, different diseases. So what you have to do first, copy this paragraph, right? Copy and go to website called smallseo.tools.com. I put the link in the description. This website is similar to the Grammarly, that you can check grammar, word count, plagiarization checker, spell checker, something like that. But on there is called article rewriter. These tools basically what they do is rewrite your articles into different format by placing certain word, removing the original word and placing certain words. I'm going to show you guys. First, you need to copy and paste the articles and come down here and select "You Are Not a Robot" and click rewrite article. So by the time you're working, I can get some coffee. Now you can see here, these are the original article. This is the one is rewritten into different articles. Because why is this tool is important? Because each article is belong to the writer, right? You can't just copy and paste it, so you can't plagiarize the articles. You need to rewrite in your own. So by doing this, it will remove the important words or any other word from each sentence and add the new word. So if you click this one, it will show the original words is the globe, and its suggested is the new word, the world. Also, in the bottom they put other words that you can choose for alternatively. So for this time I can't find any of them, but this is how it's gonna look like. Now what you have to do, this is the first part of the book. Then you need to copy. Okay, you need to copy and go to Grammarly. If you have a Word document, fine. I use a Grammarly all the time. Now this will check my all the grammars and the sentence format. That's why I'm doing the second tools. Okay, now I can change the check the grammar. You can see the the sentences, its clarity is not readable, so I need to change that. Now you can go through and remove or add or rewrite into your own words, but you don't have to do that because already that this website it changed the important words, right? Now what you have to do, you need to repeat this information. You get information from this site, or you can get this information from these different sites and combine together, make a top 10 list. Then you go to what you do, create that list, and if you want you can add images, but don't top list was doesn't need an image or video, but you can upload it if you want. So you send that list. If your list get approved, you can say for 25 to 30 chance you have a chance to approve in this list words that you can make money. But if you don't get approved, there's other website that I'm going to talk about. The website you can, what you have to do is called it's called All List Apart. It is another website that you can submit the same system, same list for this guy. Okay, article right for us. Okay, you can do that same thing from here, but this is the one way that you can use these websites to make free article and submit and make money. But there's other two ways that I'm going to talk about, guys. The first one is called Fiverr. You can go to Fiverr. Now if you type article, okay, article writing, you can see here, I will publish an article on Java Finance for 251s. I will publish an article in Javanese. I don't want that Javanese. Why is Javanese? I will write in a step for parenting or parenting article for your blog for 17 bucks. It's something like that. What you do, you can offer your article writing gig there, and you can charge for example a 10, 15, even if you charge less money, you have more chance to get that customer, right? So what you have to do, you can do the gig here, and you can go on Google and search on a specific topic that customer want, and go to this small SEO tools website and rewrite the articles, and go to Grammarly and check the grammars and everything. Grammarly is free for that. You can go and check that and send to the customer. That is way you can easily make money on Fiverr by writing article, but you don't have to write an article. The third way that you can make money actually is doing your YouTube channels. Yes guys, but people said you can make money with YouTube at the beginning, yes, but if you can build the channels, that you can make money from it. I made a video about called content summary. Go and check that, guys. What you have to do, you need an article to convert that into video. Again, in this system you're gonna do nothing. You're gonna find the article, rewrite the articles using online software. You don't have to do anything. You're gonna check the format and everything. That's all you have to do. And you have to go to the content summary, place the article. This website make a video for you completely free. They will add royalty free videos and images for you that you can make. You can make a video, upload every single day in YouTube. By building subscriber and view, you can make money. So I'm gonna show you the one of my channels. I'm doing the same here. It's called Daily Dose of Fact. It's similar to the Daily Dose of Internet. So you can just check out this website, this channel, where here you can see I'm doing the same thing. It's growing slowly, but doesn't matter, guys. Take it time, but when one video can get viral, then you can get more views and subscribers, then you can make money from YouTube. So like I said, you can make 1,000 to 2,000 by submitting article on the list first, or doing a gigs in Fiverr, or creating YouTube video using this free tools and free system, guys. Thanks guys for watching. See you on next one. If you really like my video, subscribe, like and share.